All right, you guys, today is moving day.
Moving day!
We're headed to
Pennsylvania! Hershey! Pennsylvania! You don't even know what that is.
They don't. They will soon find out. Hello, little man.
It's a campground.
Oh, it's a campground.
RV campground.
That's,
Yes,
right.
that's right.
We are almost complete with our
we're
packing
staying
up.
here.
Breakfast for champions.
I want to stay here.
Huh?
I want to stay.
Getting ready to pull the slides in.
Are we going to play the egg festival with legs?
I don't know. Are you?
Everybody.
Get it.
All right, get it. Go get it.
Go ahead and get it.
Is this the last one?
No, you have more. All right, and there you have it. Uh-oh. Are we too soft? We're barely fitting on the road as one vehicle. Do you see this? This is not a standard size road.
Oh, we're here.
This is crazy. So how do you do it with two RVs at the same time?
Bro.
So she's saying that we're not gonna be able to fit.
She say, more like, she say just put it
Stop,
over here.
leave it.
Turn right onto Peak Boulevard, then your destination.
So what's the verdict?
Like what we always plan on doing.
So,
Take the car off.
okay. And then drive it through.
And drive the car in.
Okay, so he thought it was a trailer.
Yeah.
It was just a hitch. Okay.
Take it off. I need you to get in, back it up.
It looks like that's a bathhouse. And there's an employee telling us where to go. So this is the site.
Then when you go to leave, it's real easy for you to just pull
Yeah,
up
just
and-
pull up.
and then back right up to it and hook up.
Oh my goodness.
Those things are a pain to try to back in.
I told you I can help you. You think that's good enough?
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I told you let me help you, Hercules. How are you feeling?
My back hurts.
This is going to be so nature-like, right? You guys, this is our first time staying in a campground where we're surrounded by trees. Oh yeah, our first back in site. All right, I'll direct you.
All I'm gonna do is back up, pull up in here, and then back up. That's all.
Okay. Don't come too close. Hey, stop, stop, stop. He's too close, guys. These mosquitoes already are crazy. You need to go this way. The mosquitoes, you guys. Press front. All right, guys. So we're gonna give our RV some new feet. Leroy's going under.
Why is there a roller coaster?
I thought we were going to Chocolate World, right?
I saw a roller coaster.
We literally decided to come to Pennsylvania just yesterday when we discovered that there was a huge RV convention going on.
That's the same roller coaster. See, look, Mom.
I saw it, baby. I was just trying to see where we're going.
Oh, look! I see a wind that goes. Where are we? Guys, see how? Ma'am, more roller coaster. Right there. Where are we going?
Go ahead, guys.
Come on.
Oh, it's a truck! Hershey Park! Welcome to Hershey Park! Wait, where is it going? It's going right there! Oh! Did you hear that,
Please put your phone in your pocket.
I don't care. Oh, the judgment.
Zombie's coming.
He's coming. Oh, no. Liam does look like a baby. Oh! You guys ready for this? Yeah?
Hey, are you ready?
Yeah, we're going upside down.
You are? You ready, though? Huh? Yeah, where you going there? What they say?
The middle gives you good luck.
Good luck, we'll see. Hey, you ready?
Is that taller than that?
Huh?
Is it taller than that?
No.
My face always gets cut off in the picture.
That's how dark it is.
Hold that upside down.
Huh? Say what?
Hold that upside down.
What you think?
Oh, boy.
That's it. You got this. Here you go. Oh, here go the lead. What you think?
Oh, look, there's more kids coming. I see it. Look at him with his arms up. The third time. He's so brave. Oh. And you made this ramp by yourself?
Yeah.
You did. I need to move some of that stuff. So we're actually getting ready for moving day. We're going to be leaving here, Pennsylvania, in a few hours. So that is why this room back here is chaotic. But in the midst of the chaos, he's still finding a way to play. Yay! Good morning, you guys. It is currently 7 a.m. 7:12 a.m. And today is a long road day. I don't even know if that makes sense. I'm so sleepy. But today is going to be our longest journey. We're going to drive. We're going to be traveling for about 5.5 hours due to road closure in the area that we are in. So we're going to have to take a longer route. My voice is a little raspy because I barely got any sleep thanks to my little Liam. But right now I'm currently prepping some lunch for the road. Leroy's outside dumping and unplugging the RV. And I guess when I get a little bit of life in my face and less bass in my voice, I'll come back and update you guys. All right? All right.
Okay, so good morning, everybody. Today is a new day. We're actually leaving Pennsylvania, and we're actually heading to New York, making our way to Canada. So we packed up for the morning, and we're about to get on the road.
How long is our drive today? I was telling them it's about 5.5 hours, maybe 6.
About 5-6 hours, yeah.
You guys, one thing I will warn you about staying here. I don't know what's in those trees, but the sounds of whatever's falling out the trees wakes you up all throughout the night. Oh, it's acorns? Look at that. But from a high distance, it sounds like golf balls. Acorns. Okay. All right, so I'm headed back inside, and I'm going to get Makai and Liam strapped in.